Getting a free JD Sports gift card code is now easier than ever. Open easygiftcodes.com/JD Sports and leave the JD Sports store open in another tab. Now that you're here, just scroll down and select any gift card. Then click the button and wait for around 30 to 35 seconds. When you're here, just continue by clicking the CAPTCHA and copy your free gift code. When you have the code, go back to JD Sports. Now it's time to add the products to your shopping cart. You can, of course, choose any. Now that you have everything you want, open the shopping cart. Just enter your code now and click the apply. Perfect, now you have applied your code. Thanks for watching and do not forget to leave a like and subscribe.